Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chika, an interior designer. So if you are an interior designer or just learning how to use the scale rule, I believe that this video will be helpful to you. The last time I did a video on an introduction to scale rule and I got a few questions from that video. So today I'm just going to answer one of the questions, which was, how do you know what scale to use? There's no hard and fast rule about selecting a scale to use. Basically, what determines the scale that you select is your available paper. So if you have a small paper like an A4 paper, it limits how large your drawing can be. So I'm just going to show you the different scales on the scale rule. As you can see, I'm already drawing straight lines. These straight lines are different scales on the scale rule, but they are all the same dimensions. This is a 10-meter line. So all these lines you're seeing right now are all 10 meters on different scales. As an interior designer working on inner spaces that are not as large as exteriors, I like to use the smaller numbers. That's so that I can see the space clearly and visualize what would be in that space. Alright guys, in my next video I'm going to pick out a space from a floor plan and draw it out. If you would like to learn more, kindly like, share and subscribe to